Hi guys, and happy Friday. My finally Friday announcement is going to be it's going to look a little bit different this week, and that's because I've made kind of like a PowerPoint for you all, not because I feel like you guys need a PowerPoint, but so I don't forget anything that I need to tell you. So, the first thing that I want to mention is that you'll notice that you've had a grade update, and that is because I have responded well, I haven't responded to, but I have gone through and graded your interactive lectures from week 1, and you'll see that I have also in my comment with your grade attached 2 PDF files, and those are copies of your answers that I got to read. So it was super fun reading what you guys had to say, um, going through and watching the lecture. So um, it's really I enjoyed it. So the other thing that I want to mention is that if you have not completed the interactive lectures for week 2, please get it done. This is how I am grading participation this semester. So it's really important that you not only view the lecture because that is the lecture, it's also important that you answer the questions. So I can see that some people go in and view it for however long they view it, but uh, no questions are answered, and that kind of defeats the purpose of the assignment. So even if you, I mean, don't write BS answers, but even if like what you think you're saying is wrong, um, there's really kind of no right or wrong answer in this kind of situation. I really want to see that you're engaging with the material. So please take these seriously because they're going to add up to a lot of points. I think the interactive lecture for this week is worth 50 points, and that's almost as much as a discussion board. So it's pretty important that you do that. So, the other thing that I want to mention has to do with your group projects. And I asked you all to sign up for a a group based on the topic that you want to explore. And I have gone through and I have divided you up based on those categories. And you can now see those in Canvas. For those of you who signed up for a Unit 1 topic, the Cult of Mary, the Cult of Chivalry, and Mystery and Morality plays, your due date is September 19th. And I don't know how to do multiple due dates for multiple groups. So the due date that you see on the group project is only for the Unit 1 groups. And once the Unit 1 groups have submitted their topics, I will change it to match the due date for Unit 2 groups. If you're confused or wondering when your topic and group presentation is due, it is in the cultural exploration project kind of assignment in Canvas. And you can find that in the major assignments module. I encourage you all to begin talking with your groups. If not getting started, just kind of introduce yourself to each other, start talking about um, how you want to go about completing the project. So let me know if you have any questions about that, and I'll be happy to help you. The other thing that I want to mention is that last night we had our first live discussion after my rain check, and that is now available in Canvas in the week 2 module. You'll see it says link to live discussion, and if you open it up, you'll see the link to the recording, and I'll also post the link in this announcement. The other thing that I want to mention is that your discussion board, your major assignment for the week, if you have not posted your initial response that was due last night, please make it a priority to do so. And for everyone else, all of your responses are due on Sunday. I am going to go through and comment and engage in the discussion board myself. So if I comment to your post, please take an opportunity to answer me. That is all I have to say about discussion boards. The other thing that I want to mention, I just have a couple of friendly reminders. Week 3, looking ahead, week 3 will be published on Sunday. I know it's a long weekend, but I'm still going to adhere to our schedule of events. Week 3 will be published on Sunday. We are moving forward in the Middle Ages, and we are going to discuss Chaucer, the Canterbury Tales, and more specifically, the Nun's Priest's Tale. If you haven't scheduled an individual conference with me per the email conference assignment, the email needs to be sent to me by the 6th of September. And in an effort to not be bombarded with 20 some odd emails on Sunday night or Monday, if you guys could start thinking about scheduling a meeting. I think only a handful of you have done so from this class. You can check out the meeting times that I have a Google Doc for in the email conference assignment shell. It's for all of my classes that I'm teaching this semester. So you'll see a bunch of people signed up and marked off in purple. But please make an arrangement to meet with me via Zoom before or by September 30th. So the other thing that I do want to mention too is that I've been getting emails from some of you asking me about material that has either been addressed in announcements or has been addressed in the instructor's instructions. I encourage you guys, if you haven't been looking at the video announcements or checking your announcements or your email regularly, I encourage you to start doing so because it's a lot of important information there. And the instructor's instructions they're going to tell you everything you need for the week. That does not mean that I do not want you to email me. Please do not take what I'm saying as that. I enjoy questions. I love questions. I want you guys to email me and ask address any concerns and stuff that you may have. But please make sure that you check your announcements and the instructor's instructions just to make sure that we're all on the same page. I think that is it by way of my announcements for you guys for this Friday. I've started looking at your responses to Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, and some of them are hysterical, and it's been a real pleasure. So I thank you for making my little English teacher heart beat a little bit faster. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Send me an email. Pop in my office hours. I'm gonna have some office hours impromptu today between 3 and 4:30. So if you want to pop in and ask anything, I'll be around. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend because, Monday is a holiday, theoretically, as I'm still going to post everything on Monday for you all, just so you have it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend. Do something fun. And I will talk with you guys soon.